everybody, I'm Sheenam and I'm from Dialect Ground, which is an IELTS PT institute in which we also offer some other courses. For example, spoken courses, interview preparation, and personality development as well. Basically, our center is located in Holy City, Amritsar. In Amritsar, we are located in the A Block Ranjit Avenue. We opened this institute from last 2 years, but I'm in this field from last 8 years. I'm having experience of IELTS training from previous 8 years. As we are having a great score by the students who came to us and who are having a good satisfaction level from our training, you can even check it from the Instagram or Facebook. So guys, in the IELTS, I many times heard it from the student. They are facing a lot of queries, a lot of problems while doing writing, reading, listening or any speaking. So yes, after that we came to a decision that yes, we are going to organize a free session and that will be the doubt session for all the students who are facing the problem in the IELTS or those who are on their way to crack the IELTS in upcoming week or upcoming month. So yes guys, here's a good news for all who really want to crack their desired band score without any kind of a pressure or burden of thinking like IELTS is very difficult. So yes, we are going to cover up some major topics of the IELTS. For example, how to do the MCQ in reading, how to analyze the map in listening, and how to make an effective introduction in the writing. So there are a lot more that we are going to cover up in this session. And this session we are going to organize after a week. But yes, without a doubt, if you have any query related to your own doubt, you can even come up with that. And surely we are going to make a video on that. So without wasting a lot of time, let's start with this small session in which we are going to clear your first doubt. Guys, I heard from a lot of students that the one thing that they find difficulty right now is the writing. I heard a lot of time that they are saying, ma'am, in the writing today, it is very difficult to crack even more than 5.5. So yes, we are going to come up with the solution of that. So let's start with it first. So today's we are going to cover up a minor topic which is playing a very major role in the IELTS. If we are talking about writing, as you know, writing has two tasks, task 1 and task 2. In the task 1, it's more like a picture representation or you can say report writing, which is quite easy that whatever we have in front of us, we have to just make a sentence formation on that. But the problem and the major band that we grab, that is from the task 2. So our today's class based on the task 2. So basically guys, task 2 is essay writing in which we have to show our ideas, opinions, whatever you think according to your experience, you need to mention in your writing task 2. So let's start with it. In the writing task, whenever it comes in front of you, we are having two things. The first is the background statement and the another thing which is important, that is the question itself. So first guys, I heard it that, ma'am, whenever we are writing the task 2, what we need to do is we need to put a hook line, then we need to paraphrase, and then we just need to put the answer and we are good to go for the writing introduction. Guys, yes, you have to write it the same but in a different manner. Whenever you are doing writing task 2, what you need to do is first understand the background statement. Whenever you are not understanding the background statement, you cannot write the correct task response to your examiner. So this is the first thing that you have to keep in your mind while doing your writing task 2. First guys, clearly evaluate your writing background statement, whatever it is saying. Maybe it is according to some people is something else they are understanding, but some people are thinking something else regarding that. So first, give a time, whether you are giving it to 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, just hold your time there. Understand the statement first, then go for the writing. So after understanding the whole background statement, then you need to focus on your question, that what they are asking to me. If, for example, the question is, do you agree or disagree? What you need to do is, okay, you think, yes, it is according to my opinion. So I need to give my opinion on that. Yes. And most probably when you're writing, maybe you're familiar with this thing, what I'm saying right now. What students do generally, they put the hook line. After that, they paraphrase. They use a lot of synonyms in the paraphrase. And after that, they write their thesis, which we call also answer. Yes guys, you need to do the same, but again I'm saying that you need to do it in a different manner. First, yes, you need to introduce your topic with a hook line and that can be optional. You don't need to waste a lot of time on that. What you can do, if you are, within 5 seconds you got at the hook statement, go for it. If you are not thinking any hook statement within 5 seconds, don't waste your time in that. Just go directly to the background paraphrase. Okay, after writing hook line of 7 words or 1 line, you need to paraphrase your background statement. Yes, you have multiple ways to do that. If you want to do the paraphrase, you can do with the help of synonyms, or you can even do the paraphrase. Yes, after doing that, you need to come to the major part of the introduction, by which examiner evaluate that what is your level, whether you are 5 band scorer, 6 band, 7 or 8. Generally, students, what they write in the thesis, okay, in my opinion, I agree with the statement and I'm going to discuss my viewpoint in the upcoming paragraph, right? Maybe you have also written like that. No guys, our thesis is the major part by which I'm again repeating that examiner evaluate that what is the student's level. So this is a very common sense that everybody knows that you're going to agree or disagree. But the major part, why we are poking again and again, that thesis is the most important. You need to add some productivity in your thesis. If you're going to write like that, okay, I'm going to discuss in the upcoming paragraph, they simply say it is just for making the length. And one more thing, while attended ITP seminars and audits, they clearly mentioned that numbers doesn't bother to them. You don't need to focus, you don't need to pressurize with that stuff, that how many words are left, how many words are missing. You don't need to bother about that. You just need to fully fledged explain your ideas and you are good to go to grab your correct band score. So what you need to do is you need to add some productivity in your thesis. For example, if my topic is, okay, besides some disadvantages, some people feel that internet has more advantages. Okay, I'm repeating again. Besides some disadvantages, some people think that internet has more advantages. Do you agree or disagree? Now, what I have to write in my thesis, in my opinion, yes, I totally agree with this statement because it utilizes our time while going to the offline store. Now you got it. What is our productivity in that? Guys, it is very common sense that to say I'm agree or I'm disagree. But the productivity that you need to fill in your thesis, that is why you agree with that statement and why not. And now one more query, whenever I say this to my student, they always say, ma'am, okay, now we have written this thing. Now what we are going to write in a body paragraph? Guys, this is just a hook line that you are mentioning before introducing your paragraph. Everything about that hook line you need to explain in that body paragraph. Guys, body paragraph is all about the explaining stuff. But if I'm talking about thesis, it is only about your introduction, introducing that what you are going to speak in the further paragraph. I hope you got the difference now, that what you need to write and what you not need to write. So this is all about our today's video. I hope you really like this video, and if you really mean our videos and really like our video, you can even subscribe our channel. You can hit the like button and even follow us for the following updates. And if you have any query, even except this video, or if you are having out of this video query, you can simply mail us or putting any comment or message to us directly. So this is all about today's lecture. I hope you really like it and do follow our channel. Thank you. Bye.